If you experience a problem with IntelliMix Room, you can report it directly to Shure via the System Tray application on your computer running IntelliMix Room. Right-click on the icon and you can select the option Report a Problem. Once selected, you'll be instructed to allow IntelliMix Room to gather logs from your machine, and afterwards to upload them to softwarelogs.shure.com. Clicking on Continue will require admin right access to collect logs. This process can take up to several minutes. Once the log collection process is done, the program will automatically open a web page where you can submit the log file. It will also open the directory where the log file is located. Fill out the form with all required information and make sure to select the right product from the drop-down menu. Then you need to drag and drop the log file from the directory into the attachment field and press Submit. The upload process may also take a while. Once the log file is successfully received by our technical support team, you'll get a confirmation message. This allows the support team to investigate the problem and come back to you if further information is required.